Hey guys, if your Xfinity app is not showing the connected devices, then watch this video until the end to figure out the easy and quick solutions for your problem. Here, I have created this table for you with the simple steps that you can follow to resolve your problem. Let's start. Number 1. Verify device connections. Ensure the devices are connected to your home network. To do that, check each device Wi-Fi settings to confirm it is connected to your home network SSID and not a public or the neighbor's network. After that, check for default device names. Some devices may have default names like alphanumeric codes. Cross-reference the list of connected devices in the Xfinity app with your actual devices to identify them. Restart your gateway. Unplug the gateway's power cord from the outlet, then wait for around 60 seconds. Then plug it back in. Then allow a few minutes to the gateway to fully restart and re-establish the connections. Or you can also restart via the Xfinity app. To do that, go to the Xfinity app, then go to connection, then select your gateway and click restart this device. Confirm the restart and wait for the process to complete. Update and reinstall the app. You may have the outdated app. To update it, you will have to go to the Google Play Store. From there, you can update your Xfinity app. If this works, it is fine. Otherwise, reinstall the app. Uninstall the Xfinity app, then restart your device to clear any cached data. Then reinstall the app and sign in using your Xfinity credentials. Forget and reconnect the devices. Open the Xfinity app and navigate to the devices section. Select each unrecognized device and click Forget Device to remove it. This will clear mismatched or outdated records of the devices. Then reconnect devices to the network. For that, on each device, disconnect from Wi-Fi in the settings. Then reconnect to your Wi-Fi by selecting your network and entering the password. The Xfinity app should recognize and display the device after this step. Number 5. You can use Gateway's admin tool. For that, open a web browser or a connected device. Once you open a browser, type 10.0.0.1 to access the Gateway admin interface. Then sign in with your credentials. Check connected devices in admin tool. Navigate to the connected devices section. Verify if all devices are visible in the admin interface. Here is the last option, contact Xfinity support. If none of the above options work, call or chat with Xfinity support via the app or website. Visit their support page. Talk to their support team and they will guide you what to do next. That's it guys. Thank you.